Hey guys, here's an easy shredded beef recipe. Tender, juicy beef, and it's so easy to make. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef. I season my meat the night before. This helps deepen the flavor. You'll need 2 teaspoons of cumin, 4 tablespoons of onion and garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, 2 teaspoons of chili powder or more to taste, and salt and pepper to taste. Add all the dry seasonings to the beef and mix well. I also added sliced onions. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Add your beef to your crock pot. Let it cook on low for 8 hours. After 8 hours, your beef should fall apart when you touch it. This shredded beef is perfect for tacos. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching.